welcome. Yeah, I'm so happy because it's my day. Yes, another year to be thankful na naman kasi yeah, binigyan tayo ulit ni Lord ng isang pagkakataon. Isang pagkakataon, yes. So, well, actually, guys, hindi naman, yung pag nag-birthday ako, hindi ako masyadong bongga talaga. So, ngayon, dito kasi ako nag-birthday sa, sa work ko. So, as usual, hindi kami nagluluto or something. Pero mamaya sa dinner, magluluto lang sa Ate Juby ng pasta. So, for lunch, nagpapa-deliver lang ng food. So, kakarating lang ng food na dinideliver ngayon. So, 3 putahe lang. Then, later daw may pa-cake daw or I don't know, something like that. So, yeah. So, nandito na po yung nagdi-deliver. Ito po siya. Oh, hi!
Happy birthday!
Yeah, thank you, T, for the support. Thank you for the greetings. I love you. So, actually, yes, guys. Ito lang yung food. Yeah, 3 dishes lang siya. It's like, of course, pansit, hindi mawawala. Then, it's fish yata to. Then, of course, the chicken at saka ribs. So, yan. So, yan lang po yung natin sa birthday ngayon, guys. So, I'm so happy lang talaga. And yes, of course, sa mga nag-greet sa akin ng happy birthday. Thank you so much. And yeah, I'm so very, very blessed and thankful kasi nga, my God, umabot pa ako sa 32 years. Yeah! 32 years of existence. So, I'm so happy and super blessed. Hi, ate!
Hello!
Thank you. Anong gift mo?
Secret!
No, secret. Wala to.
Mayroon
Well, actually, yesterday, lumabas kami kasi ng libre din ako sa kanila with my friends. Yung mga nakikita nyo sa mga few vlog ko. Yan, nang libre ako kahapon. Nag-Jollibee din, tas barbecue. So, yun, hindi ko lang na-vlog kasi malakas yung ulan. So, yeah. But anyways, guys, thank you so much sa mga nag-greet sa akin ng happy birthday. I'm so happy. Yeah, thank you so much. And yes, here's some of the greetings, guys. And yes, yeah. I love you all. Thank you so much. I love you. Yes, guys. Ayan po yung food, guys. Ito. Yeah. Then, pansit. Of course. Fish yata to. Parang fish steak. Fish fillet or something. No, it's not fish fillet. It's fish steak. And then, ito ribs yata or chicken. I don't know. Basta yan. Ayan lang. Tapos we have also a cherry and a strawberry. O, diba, bongga. I'm so happy na for this. But actually, hindi po talaga ako sanay sa ganito na may handaan or what. So, I'm happy na I'm still living in this world. Charot. Yeah. Yeah. I love you all.
Happy birthday! Hi, Cho! Happy birthday! Wish you all the best. Sana stay ka lagi whoever you are, yung pagkamabait mo, matulungin. Sana diyan ka lang. Dito ako. Happy birthday! And wish you more birthdays to come. God bless you. Thank you, Be, sa binibigay mong tulong sa akin. Sa aking YT. Salamat. Happy birthday. Mua, chup.
Hi everyone, it's me Jane Bihakaban. Ayan. Sorry sa background kasi hindi ako prepared. Ayan, on the spot kasi. Ayan, babatiin ko lang yung kaibigan ko na happy birthday girl. Ayan, yung mabait ko na kaibigan, maganda at sexy. Wish ko sa iyo girl, ngayong 2023 makahanap ka na ng forever mo dyan. Ayan. At magkaanak ka na. Yun talaga yung wish ko sa'yo. Bahala ka dyan. Basta yun na yun. Once again, happy birthday, girl. Good health. Ayan. And more revenues to come to your channel. More subscribers to come. Ayan. Happy birthday, girl. Love you.